Picture this. You wake up feeling congested, with a stuffy nose and watery eyes. You may be thinking cold or allergies, right? Well, guess what? Onions might just be your secret weapon. Onions contain a bioactive compound called quercetin, which acts as a natural antihistamine, reducing your allergy symptoms and helping you breathe easy. It's like nature's own remedy for those pesky seasonal troubles. Today, we're diving deep into a little kitchen hero that has been known to soothe symptoms you never thought possible. Get ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of onions as we unravel the secrets behind their remarkable aroma and the reason behind those watery eyes. Onions come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its unique taste and culinary applications. From the mild and sweet Vidalia onions to the pungent and robust red onions, there's an onion to suit every palate. Shallots, with their delicate flavor, and scallions, with their vibrant green tops, add a refreshing twist to salads and stir-fries. And let's not forget about the versatile and long-lasting yellow onions, perfect for caramelizing and adding depth to soups and stews. So, whether you prefer the mellow or the bold, the options are endless when it comes to incorporating onions into your favorite dishes. Before we unveil their incredible powers, did you know that onions have been used for centuries as a natural remedy? In ancient Egypt, onions were utilized for various ailments, including digestive issues and insect bites. The ancient Greeks, led by renowned physician Hippocrates, recognized onions' diuretic, expectorant, and digestive properties. Traditional Chinese medicine incorporated onions to treat respiratory congestion and support digestion. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, valued onions for their ability to stimulate digestion and balance the body's energies. Across different cultures, onions have played a vital role in alleviating various ailments, showcasing their enduring reputation as a versatile and esteemed medicinal plant. Now, let's fast forward to the present day, where science has caught up with tradition and confirmed what our ancestors already knew. Onions are a powerhouse of health. Number 1. Heart health. Onions contain compounds that can promote heart health. They are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and quercetin, which help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, their sulfur compounds may assist in lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Number 2. Immune boost. Say goodbye to sniffles and strengthen your immune system with the power of onions. Packed with immune-boosting vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, these superheroes support your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Number 3. Digestive health. Prepare your taste buds for a journey to better digestion. Packed with dietary fiber, onions promote regular bowel movements and help prevent constipation. The presence of a specific type of fiber called inulin acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Onions also contain compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Additionally, the sulfur compounds present in onions help reduce the risk of developing gastric ulcers by inhibiting the growth of Helicobacter pylori bacteria, a common cause of stomach ulcers. Before we dive back into the content, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude. If you're finding this video enjoyable and informative, we would be truly grateful if you could show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Additionally, we're curious to know about your personal culinary experiences. Are onions a staple ingredient in your daily cooking? If so, we'd love to hear how you incorporate them into your dishes. Share your onion-infused cooking secrets with us, and let's inspire each other to create mouth-watering dishes that celebrate the versatile and delicious nature of onions. Now, let's pick up where we left off and continue our journey together. Number 4. Bone strength. Let onions be your secret weapon for strong and resilient bones. Discover the role of sulfur compounds in onions as they help build and maintain healthy bones, safeguarding you against bone-related diseases like osteoporosis and reducing the risk of fractures. Number 5. Blood sugar control. Onions have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They also contain compounds that promote insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to effectively use glucose. This makes onions a beneficial addition to a diabetic-friendly diet and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 6. Cancer prevention. Onions are packed with antioxidants and sulfur compounds that have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Quercetin, in particular, has shown anti-cancer properties and may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Regular consumption of onions, as part of a balanced diet, can contribute to cancer prevention efforts. Number 7. Skin and hair health. Get ready to unleash the beauty benefits of onions. The antioxidants present in onions, such as vitamin C, help combat oxidative stress and promote healthy skin. They can contribute to a youthful complexion and may aid in reducing the signs of aging. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in onions support the production of collagen, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and strong, shiny hair. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory effects. Wave goodbye to chronic inflammation with the help of onions. Onions possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Number 9. Mood enhancement. Did you know onions can uplift your mood and support brain health? Onions contain flavonoids, such as quercetin, which have been shown to have positive effects on brain health. These compounds may help improve mood, reduce the risk of cognitive decline, and support overall brain function. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of onions, you might be wondering if they have any potential side effects. While onions offer a wide range of remarkable health benefits, it's important to be aware that some individuals may experience side effects when consuming them. One common side effect is digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or heartburn, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. This is because onions contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can be difficult to digest for certain individuals. Additionally, individuals with onion allergies may experience adverse reactions, including skin rashes, itching, or respiratory symptoms. If you have known allergies or sensitivities, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating onions into your diet. By understanding and respecting your body's unique responses, you can make informed choices and enjoy the incredible benefits of onions safely and deliciously. The distinctive aroma of onions. Love it or hate it, there's more to this pungent smell than meets the eye. Believe it or not, the very compounds that give onions their strong odor also offer some surprising benefits. The sulfur compounds released when onions are chopped or crushed possess antimicrobial properties, helping to ward off harmful bacteria. Additionally, these compounds are believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, potentially contributing to overall health. But what about those tears streaming down your face? When an onion is cut, it releases a volatile gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide. When this gas comes in contact with the moisture in your eyes, it forms a mild sulfuric acid, triggering a protective response to flush out the irritant. So, while the tears may be momentarily uncomfortable, they're actually a result of your body's clever defense mechanism. It's nature's way of ensuring you get the most out of this remarkable vegetable. As you embark on your quest for optimal health, be sure not to overlook our newest video that promises to captivate your attention, unveiling the remarkable benefits of daily chia seed consumption.